So I have some random shapes. If I go into my layout, and then right here, click on this and click on object. Now I can just say, I want that to turn into a viewport. And now you can see that's a viewport. Or I can say, I want that to be a viewport. And now that's a viewport. I can also just do come here and go to Polygonal. And now I can just draw in what I want it to be. And it'll turn into a viewport when I'm done. So track it down. And it's closed, and now it's automatically a viewport. So if you want to have weird shaped viewports, you can do that now. I mean, it's a little bit more, because now I can stretch and I can do that, or I can just pick on it and use the middle line right here to stretch it. What are these little blue handles called? Grips.
Grips.
So anytime you have a line and you grab the corner, it's going to stretch it. You grab the middle line, it's going to move that line and stretch anything that's connected to it. Right? So a lot of times when I edit things, I'll just edit them with the grips. And sometimes it's faster than going in into a trim or extend or whatever.
Right.